Hello and welcome to Hero Tech Systems. This is lab 4 of our packet tracer video series, and in our last video I showed you how to detect collisions in an Ethernet hub network. In today's video I'm going to be creating a basic Ethernet network using a switch. So this is basically replacing the hub with a switch. If you find our lab series videos useful, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new lab, you will get notified. Thank you. Let's get right into it. So in our last video, I told you I was going to suggest a device that would mitigate the shortcomings of the hub network, which is the collisions that occur. So that device is the switch. And now I'm going to bring up a switch to the work area. To do that, go to Network Devices and click on Switches. It is the next device after routers, so switches. I'll be using the 2960 model. You could use any of the switch models, but I prefer to use 2960. So I'm going to drag it to the work area. And I will bring up 3 PCs. PC1. So here is a hack. If you're going to bring up multiple PCs like simultaneously, instead of clicking and dragging all the time, you can just on my control key and click on my copper straight through cable. So I'll connect PC4 to switch 1. I'll connect PC5 to switch 1. Connect to port 2, fast Ethernet port 2. I'll connect PC6 to fast Ethernet port 3 on switch 1. And once this is connected, I'm going to assign IP addresses. I'm going to use 192. My network address is 192.168.1.0, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So PC1 is going to get .1. PC2 we get .2, and PC3 we get .3. So that's the addresses, IP address I'm going to assign to the PC. So this would be 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2, and 192.168.1.3. So now I'll assign the IP addresses to the PC. I click on PC1 and I'll go to IP configuration and assign the IP address 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So when you're done, you can click on your tab key. If you're done on the IP addressing, you can just click on your tab key. It takes you to the next field, and it auto-populates the subnet masks for you. So I'll do the same thing for PC5. 192.168.1.2. So press your tab key with your keyboard. It will auto-populate the subnet mask for you. The same thing for PC6. 192.168.1.3. And tab key auto-populates for me, and I can close. So now we can test our connection. PC4, from PC4 I ping PC5. PC5 has the IP address of 192.168.1.2. So 192, so ping 192.168.1.2. You can see my ping is successful. I can also ping, I'll ping 192.168.1.3. The ping is successful. I'll also ping within packettracer itself. So I'll take the ping 2 here. I'll ping between PC4 and PC6. Successful. PC5 and PC4. Successful. And PC4 and 5. Successful. Okay, there's one more ping to be done between PC5 and PC6. Is also successful. So note that you are not only limited to 3 PCs. This switch has 24 ports and 2 gigabit ports, 24 fast Ethernet ports, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. So that's 26 ports in total. So it can connect up to 26 PCs. So you can expand the network by adding more PCs to fill up the ports and assigning IP addresses to all of them, and they would be able to ping between themselves. So here's the video, guys. This is how you can create a basic Ethernet network using a switch. So build a network, add more PCs, and let me know in the comments if you're able to successfully ping between the multiple pieces which you added. In our next video, I'm going to show you how collisions work in a switched Ethernet network and how it differs from the Ethernet hub network. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next lab.